Hello guys, welcome back to my Shopify store. I know it's been a while, but I'm thrilled to be back with you. So let's start fresh and learn new things together. I will give a little context here. In next few videos, we are going to explore something really exciting about the multi-column section. It's a very powerful section which can transform your Shopify store and increase your conversion rate. So now start this video. As you are able to see my screen, this is my Shopify store where I'm promoting adjustable back posture corrector. When I scroll down to my multi-column section, you are able to see how I use the multi-column section in my Shopify store. Why people love the inch back posture corrector, and this is the GIF, and this is a little description and title about my GIF, which gives a good looking structure to my Shopify store. So in this video, we will know how we can use this section, yeah, multi-column section, similarly as I used in my Shopify store. So for that, we have to jump on our Shopify admin dashboard. This is my Shopify admin dashboard, and here I already installed a temporary theme, DOM theme for this tutorial. So for that, you have to go to the customize, and here I add a multi-column section. For better visibility and understanding, I will delete all the other sections which is present here. So this is only your multi-column section. So here first we give a gazing or attractive title to our multi-column section. So I use the same title which I used in my Shopify store. How to wear the adjustable back character. Select it, make it bold and italic, and do the heading size small. Yep, it is looking more appropriate. Now I select a column and here upload a GIF or WebP image. So I already created the GIF images for my multi-column section. If you want to know how I create it, so comment it web or GIF image so that I will make a tutorial video on this, how you can create a GIF image according to your Shopify store. So I will select it and give a attractive title and description here. For that, I will copy the title and description for my Shopify store to save your time. So to save your time, I will copy the title and description from my Shopify store, and I will delete the all others columns which is already there, so that I will duplicate the same column to shorten the length of this video. So I will again go to my uploaded column and I will duplicate it and save it. I will upload a GIF image, give a attractive title, and give a attractive description to my multi-column cards. Now we have to configure the multi-column card. For that, you have to go to the multi-column section, configurations, and here, first of all, we select the image ratio. I will use the portrait for my Shopify store, but it is not looking so good. Here, I use this square. It is looking much better as compared to previous one. Here you can see the sharp image of the multi-column card. We have to curve it. So for that you have to go to the theme setting, and here is a setting content containers. So in content containers there is a setting corner radius. So we have to make it 22 or maybe 24. Once we do the corner radius 22 pixels, you can see our sharp image convert into the curved image and save it. Now your multi-column section is added in your Shopify store. So to check that, you have to click on the three dots and click on the preview so that you can take a amazing look of your multi-column section. You can see it is looking amazing. So this is the way you can add the multi-column section as I used in my Shopify store.